Well, I'm very pleased. For the last 20 days, I have been saying buy on a dip. We are consolidating, we are building a base, and we are going to break out. Obviously, no one knows when. And the trade was always to be long on the long side of the market. And this is the market for you. It rewards people with patience. Now, the Nifty is now going towards 12,000. I don't have a view on an intraday trade. It would be very difficult to say what to do after this kind of a gap up. Even a 100-point decline would justify buying. But the point is, we are going towards 12,000 and 32,000 in the Nifty bank. So wherever you want, you can buy now, you can buy on a dip, you can buy, do both. Be on the long side of the market. Don't trade intraday. Well, focus on mid caps, starting with Petronet, where a lifetime new high is likely to be achieved either today or soon enough. Then that's a buy. We also have United Spirits as a buying opportunity. It's at the top of its chart and probably an outperformer. LNT is a buy. Actually, everything went up on Monday and likely to do that Friday, and will do that today. But LNT among the large caps is a stock that's giving us significant upside potential. And fourthly, JSW Steel. I just heard that it's 10% up. That's well, then it becomes difficult. But the charts are suggesting a large base is complete and a big breakout is imminent. Be on the long side of the market. Don't make the mistake of saying it can't go higher. It will.
I think there's big reversal. A lot of indicators were pulled on the upside, and all the indices nearly participated on the upside. And I think this does suggest that there should be good follow through happening. I would look at targets of around 11,400, but then I think that will be captured in the opening gap itself. So let's look at the further targets which could be met in the short term, and by short term I would mean at roughly about 2 weeks or thereabouts. I think we could possibly, with a strong possibility, head towards 11,700 to about 11,800 range, where some kind of profit booking might emerge. For the time, that 11,150 level becomes a very strong support area, and I think I would be surprised in case we were to even test it or maybe try to fall below it. But any mild decline would be buying opportunities in case with the gap of opening there's some profit booking today. I think I would still buy into it. And on the bank Nifty, similarly, the first targets were closer to about 29,700. Assuming that they will be crossed, I would look at next targets of around 30,250. Again, most of the stocks might open higher, so you might not get an immediate trade. But the stocks which I like, Voltas, I think has had a highest ever closing, a big breakout on the medium to longer term charts as well, along with the breakout obviously on the short term charts. That's a buy with a stop at 654. Look for 695 as the first target, though I suspect 720 is the next logical step over here. JSW Steel features on my list as well for targets of 250, but I think it might be taken out in the opening gap itself. So we'll revise the target about 270. That's a buy with a stop at 233. LNT, good price and volume breakout. That's a buy with a stop at 3094 for targets of 1450. And M&M is a buy as well. Keep a stop at 554. Look for a 595 kind of a target.
It looks like the bus has already started to move and difficult to board the bus, but then you have no choice. You might fall, that's it, but I feel the market is going up to 12,000, it's a matter of time. Difficult trading in the short term, but buy and have increased the time frame, you will make money. You get dips, buy and hold on. Patience pays. I have Bajaj Finserv, that looks good. Possible target on the upside 8,200 plus. Berger Paints, exactly similar is the case. New high, I think it's trying to go to 450 plus zones, stop below 380. Grasim has formed a good base bottom out here. Target on the upside is around 800 zones, stop below 720. And M&M Financial, I think is looking good here. It's going up, target on the upside 380, 400 zones, stop below 330.